Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live. It's Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week on the brighter side. Sacrifices. When do they turn into slavery? That's a question that we often encounter in our spiritual, emotional, physical, and social aspects of life.
Sacrifice is something we all value. It's the foundation of all relationships, faith, and even growth. But MJ, when does sacrifice start to become unhealthy?
It's a question that we often ask ourselves, like, when does it become unhealthy? Sacrifices become unhealthy when it starts to drain our spirit and we lose sight of our sense of self. That's when sacrifices turn into slavery.
Emotionally, sacrifice is when we are continually suppressing ourselves to please others. Maybe it's that relationship where someone gives and gives, thinking it's out of love, but in reality they're actually diminishing themselves. It's not mutual, it's one-sided, and that's not going to be healthy for anybody.
Spiritually, sacrifice is a noble thing. When we do so much of sacrifices, we are bound to follow the doctrines and the dogmas of our certain belief that no longer serve us. It's very dangerous.
Socially, when we are continually suppressing our own selves to please societal expectations, that's never a good thing. We're going to lose our sense of individuality. We need to make sure that we don't do that, because when do we start living for ourselves and stop living for others?
But physically, when is it sacrificing and healthy in our physical health? When we do extreme diet, force ourselves to work 16 hours every day, it's not a sacrifice anymore. What we thought is a dedication for something that we need to lose weight, we need to be better at work, builds into some kind of a self-imposed sacrifice. We don't want that.
Absolutely. If you find yourself actually feeling this way, you need to take a step back and see if the sacrifice is truly helping your higher self, higher purpose. If it's not, then it might be chains and not your choice.
Where's the line? There seems need to be balance, like our channel. Be balanced in our spiritual, emotional, physical, and social side.
Well said. Thank you for tuning in to Monday Live. Always make sure that sacrifice is your choice, not your chains.
See you next time, everybody. Ciao.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.